Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of AutoDraw. AutoDraw is a great drawing web. Why do I say to you web? Because is the web is in the web. If you want to start, you can install, but if you don't want to install it, here is online. And now in here we have the magic draw, auto draw. Let's say auto draw. This is just draw, and this is type, and this is fill, and this is shape, and this is colors. You have so much colors into the last. And here this is zoom, undo, and delete. So now I want to draw something. Let's draw this. Okay, and this, and this, just like this. And I'm gonna draw this, and draw this, and draw this. I'm drawing Mountain Everest. Like this. Okay, let's see, where's Mount Everest? Okay, let's do undo. And now let's see, mountain. No mountain here. Okay, here's just one mountain. Okay, let's draw some this and this. Yeah, let's do this. And let's do select. Let's select this. And do it just like this. Okay, now let's do Control C. No. Click on X. Control C and then Control V. You can copy it just like this. Okay, that's great. What do we draw? Let's draw the sun. Okay, and now do the auto draw and draw the sun. And here, just like this. And the sun. Where's the sun? There's one sun. The sun. I don't like this one. I like this one. Okay, let's click on select so we can select the sun. And now in here we're gonna do just like this. And I'm gonna do some ginormous, just like this. That's okay if it's go on off the paper. That's okay. Let's see what is in here. Here there's files about how to. There's about artists, shortcuts, how to draw, download. Here, let's click on this first. Let's click on the color. I want this. No. And now let's fill this and fill this. And let's click in here. Click on this. Just like that. No. Control Z so we can undo this. Okay, now in here let's click on this the color let's do the color white here and here. Okay, and then let's do this color and this one. Okay, now let's do the color this. And you can see we have the great things. Let's click on select. Select this. Close this. And now select this. Do it just like this. Okay, let's do it here. Let's type. Let's type Zia the painter. We need to select the text. Now let's type Zia the painter. Okay, that is not great. Let's do it in the red color. So it needs to be great. Okay, let's click on text. Click on here. I don't like the text thing, so I need to go in here and choose any text I want. We have Roboto Mono. What is this? Okay, let's do this. No, this. Okay, that isn't. I don't like it, so I need to go. Okay, it just says like it, so I want to do. I don't want color, so I can do. I want something very great to fit my text. Let's do this. Okay, I like it. So I'm gonna type Zia the painter. Okay, now that's great. So let's click on select. Let's select this and let's put it in here and let's flip it just like this. So now you're gonna like this painting to get it great. So if you want to keep this online and keep it favorite, if you want to draw anyway, anytime, you can click on something in this place. So just click on the star. No. Okay. We get click on a star in Google Chrome. So and then you need to click save. If you don't want it, you can click on remove. Okay. See you next time for more fun facts. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and do the like button. And see you next time.